Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Tradingview API for historical data. Alright, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste much time on this one at all. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. Alright, so let's get straight into it. Now the first step is going to be to access the API documentation. So go ahead and access the API documentation by clicking on the API button that's on the Tradingview dashboard. Step 2 is going to be to learn about the API's endpoints and parameters. So take the time to learn about the API's endpoints and parameters for historical data. Step 3 is going to be to use the API to retrieve historical data. So you can go ahead and use the API to retrieve historical data, including tick data, minute data, or daily data. And the fourth and final step will be to use the historical data for backtesting and analysis now that you have them. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Tradingview API for historical data. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys